you starting a new chapter in life? Whether it's landing your first job, moving into a dream apartment, or managing finances, every step is a giant leap towards your future. But let's face it, navigating the world of credit can be daunting. Approval for loans, credit cards, even renting an apartment hinges on that crucial credit score. That's where we come in. We understand the importance of a healthy credit score in achieving your dreams. We're more than just a service. We're your partners in paving the path to financial freedom. From personalized credit repair plans to insightful financial advice, our experts are dedicated to helping you make informed decisions. We guide you step by step to not just repair your credit, but to understand it. Imagine the possibilities when you're not held back by credit issues. A new car, your first home, or even starting a business. They're all within reach. Need guidance or have questions? Our team is always here, ready to assist.